Well, it's time. Can you hear me? Est-ce que vous m'entendez? Stride. Perfect. Perfect. Welcome everyone for the first Bandit Bringer X Arc Revo. I'm Pap, your commentator, your biggest fan, of course. The music, shut up. Perfect. And the game is here. Quel plaisir. I'm the biggest fan, dude. Of course. Bien sûr, Majin, bien sûr. Alors, the chat is pretty bizarre. I think this is better. Yep. Perfect. I will just create the room for this top 8. And I think we will start. My Moobot. I forgot my Moobot. Where is my Moobot? Moobot. Hop. Spécifique. Welcome. The room is here. Hop. Where is my Moobot? Alors, B6, 5, O, Y, 1. Voilà. Voilà. And if I do this, ID. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Ok. Paf. Tac. Tac. Hop, paf. Yep, perfect. So, the first match of the Bandit Brinker will be in a loser's bracket. Zatovan versus Théur. I will just show you the top 8. I didn't finish my top 8. Fuck. I think this is perfect. Up. Yeah. So now this is the top 8. And then we start with Zatovan versus Théur. A matchup I did not know well. Zato versus Potemkin. So why not? It will be really interesting. We've got also another match of in losers bracket. We've got Trikeyser versus Arifu, Angie versus Giovanna, and in winner bracket we've got Pinhead Axel, Pataxus Sheep Skill Soul, and Uriel with Nagoriyuki. This is really stuck. Up. Yep. And I think the match will begin. And I will commentate during all the tournament in English because I need to train my English during a tournament. So if my if my English is not good, don't worry, it's normal. Fuck. I did not. Alors, tac. Versus Zatovan. Loser bracket. Where is he? Loser quarter. No, loser top 8. Loser top 8. Perfect. There is a bug. It's okay. And this is better. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go Potemkin versus Zato. A Zoner against a Grappler. A really interesting matchup because Potemkin, I think it's pretty hard for Potemkin because of Zato. He can zone him, and the mix-up are pretty good. Interior now has to do so much things to grab his Zato, and the wall break will be for Zato. But here has a tension. He can do a really good hammer fall with the RC. But the mix is again with Zato and the RC, and I think he's not dead. He's not dead yet because AD was not here. Garuda impact for Teur. Aïe. The armor was not here to help, and he's dead. He's dead. First one for Zatovan. Zatovan is a really good player. Huh? I saw him during some tournaments, and I was like, wow, another Zato! Yes, we've got Latif, we've got Gobu, and now we've got Zatovan. Let's go! And also Teur, a French player in Dojonor. A really good team with Ashurol, if you don't know him. And again Zatovan with the rope break, with the super, so he can have the Onokizeme. AD will be really hard. Oh, good block with the Sisuke, but the Mega Fist, a good burst for him. Oh, okay, a really good RC and a really good, pretty good precision of the Potemkin Buster. And the first round will be Zatovan 1-0. Pretty hard for Teur right now, but he can defend. Oh, the command rank was not here, but he is on the corner. Teur. Oh, really good by the burst, and can destroy the wall with the super. Another Okizeme. The mix will be just a close HS, the heavy slash with another wall break, and killing with the CSH. Perfect. Why? Perfect. Okay. Zatovan is right now pretty OD. The mix-up is now here. Closes. Whoa! And the close down with this really good special and 6H to destroy the wall. 50% of the life of Teur. Blue RC and really good command grab. The tension is now here, and also AD, the first mix-up. No, just a backdash from Teur. Zatovan with the mix-up. He also have a RC. Don't forget the oppose. The super with AD. Aye. And he didn't block, and it's really crazy. Another perfect for him. A double perfect. Woof! For Zatovan. 2-0 for him. Pretty hard for Potemkin in this matchup, like Nagoriyuki, I guess. But the slide head for Teur is pretty good. But no Kizeme after that. Just some road troll. Some pokes with the oppose. Oh, the oppose, 2P in the oppose. But now Potemkin is in the corner, and time to mix up, and it will be a low. Oh, pretty good damage, but the back throw. First Garuda impact, second with a really good counter hammer fall, and he destroyed the wall. Pretty good damage with the hit knuckle. The bonus of tension will be good for Potemkin. I just he just do some pokes, Zatovan with the 2S, the 4S, and also a little bit AD. A really good mobility in the air, but the hammer fall, just the burst for Zato. And the mix is for him, really good command throw, but there is no dead. Oh, a gold burst with the super, the barrier. Just a pro shame for him. He tried to do the heavenly Potemkin Buster, but the oppose with the 2H was pretty nice, and just cheap damage. Match point for Zatovan. It's pretty good. Again, Potemkin is in the corner, and now 2K 2D with the really good. Oh la la, he has the wall break with that. With just 2K and 2D, he has the wall break. Oh, 6K, but no coffee after that. He was not here, and he continued the mix up. Oh, really good special. Purple SC. Zatovan with the mix-up, and it was 5D, no coffin after that, and oh, pretty good throw, but he didn't kill. Last touch, let's touch. Oh, closest from Dojo to Teur. Now it's Zatovan in the corner, but the 2S. 3-0 for him. 3-0 for Zatovan. Pretty good, pretty good. Omedeto. Up, up. And the first match in losers bracket will be Trikizer versus Arefu, Angie versus Giovanna, I guess. Trikizer, I think, is here, or Arefu, I don't know. And GG is a Forte Ur. That was pretty hard for him. Huh? The matchup is not good for him. The mix-up of Zatovan was really good, huh? Really good. Zato mix-up, huh, you know. Up. Ah, perfect. The players are here, and let's go. Let's go. Angie versus Giovanna. Ah, I need to swap. I need to swap. Up. Up. Path. Swap. And this is better. Second match of the top 8. Arefu versus Trikizer. Two really good fresh players. And it's Angie time for Trikizer. For a long time he was like, I don't have a good main. At the beginning he played first he played Angie. Then he played Milia, then Ino, then also Milia, and now Angie, and he has got a Giovanna time, and now is the return of Angie. Really good throw after the Purple SC, new mix-up with the Shih Tzu, but a yellow RC. Wow! Pretty good tech from Trikizer. And closes for the close down after that, and Arefu, it's time to mix up land. With a first throw, just a little do pokes, some frame traps, a second throw, and a 5D. First round for him. That was pretty nice for him. Really good mix-up. Giovanna is a really good character with insane mix-up, specifically in the corner. Oh, really good air throw after the follow-up of the Fujin, and now Trikizer is in the corner. He has to escape, but the 2S will break the burst. But the throw, Shih Tzu. Oh, just a good take from Arefu. Again, a Purple SC to do something after that, and again a hair throw for him, and closes. No confirm after that, but a DP will be do it. Really good gust from Angie, so he's not dead yet, I guess. Closes with the throw, Shih Tzu. What will be in the mix-up? Just a 2K 2D, a classic. And now Arefu is in the corner, and the closes, but the burst is here to save him. And 2P, first set for Arefu. Nice. And again, first to 3 during all the tournament. 2P, 6P from Arefu. Just a neutral. And the frame traps. We break the burst from Trikizer. Oh, no DP after, no punish after the DP. Oh, a 2S. Really good confirm after that. And now it's the Shih Tzu time, but he didn't touch him. And really good time from Arefu. And the first Okizeme for him, no, just he will not do something after that. A double Purple RC. Again, a throw with the Shih Tzu, Fujin, and the back throw from the Giovanna player. Now Trikizan is in the corner, really good air throw again. Don't forget the burst, Arifu. Blue RC to escape the corner, Purple RC, and the burst will be here to save Trikizer. Aye aye aye! Oh, for S and the really good confirm with the Fujin, first time for him. I was like, is it a reset? No. Counter. Okizem for Trikizer, and again the back throw. Trikizer is in trouble. Second throw. Third, but no, it will be teched. Arifu is pretty good on this round. He has the burst, but both players have tension, and the closest from Arifu, non confirmed with RC after that. He really good. And he's not dead. He wants to anticipate something, Trikizer with this coup, but the air throw again. And just again the 2P. Fujin. Just some frame traps. Arifu is now in the corner. Burst from Trikizer. To not escape Arifu in the corner. But the cross-up is now here. Really good match from Arifu, and the backdash will be catch with the far S, but the back throw from Trikizer is now for him to do something good. No coup after that, but a really good 5k, and the Fujin, and now the burst is now from Arifu, but he's not, and the 2S, no confirm with super after that. He has two tension time, Trikizer, and the 6H, really good Purple SC to punish the backdash, and the second will be confirmed. The punition. No combo after that. It's pretty tough for him. He has to be patient. Really good check with 2k and the super. He has to block, and he's blocking. 2D, sorry, with the coup, and it's 1-1. C'est pas mal. C'est pas mal. That was pretty good from both players. And now the burst is from Arifu, but the Fujin counter. Oh, no second hit of the coup after that. But Arifu is again in the corner, but the crosser will be here to save him. And now it's Giovanna mix-ups with the first throw, but no, really good check with 2P. Fujin after that, and the frame traps. A with the coup. And the Okizem with the Shih Tzu. 2k, 2D, on 2k. Oh, the 5D will be punished, but not confirmed with also H and the super in the air. Don't forget about that. If Giovanna has a super, he can do the air super, and it's positive on block. And again another throw, and no punish on this throw, but he escaped the corner, and just a 2k to finish that. 2-0. Both players are really good, huh? Really good punish after the follow-up of the Fujin. Just do some frame traps and a really good heavy slash. Again, a really good tech, and well, no, nothing after the retournelle. Really good anti-air with 5p and the throw. It's now to do something good. Another throw. Don't forget about the burst. Arifu, he escaped really good from the he escaped the corner Trikizer, and now it's him to do some good mix-ups. The burst will be used, of course. Oh, okay. No check with the follow-up from Arifu, and now he's in the corner. Don't escape! Don't escape with that. 2k again, 2k 2D. Don't forget the burst, Trikizer, but again the throw, but the purple RC was used a little bit early. So Anji is not dead yet, with 2D for S and 5k. 2-1 from Arifu. N'hésitez pas à me dire si au niveau du son, hein, je parle à vous les Français, si le son va bien. Je vais juste aussi vérifier un truc. Parce que là j'essaye de m'entraîner pour commenter en anglais, c'est un peu dur. Le son est nickel, parfait. Parce que j'ai cassé tous mes conneries. Perfect. 2-1 from Arifu. First throw from Trikizer. Arifu is in the corner. Fujin and the overhead. He was sleeping, Arifu. And the confirm was pretty good. Good damage after that. And also Unokizeme. 2k. Oh! We do some stagger. Really good 6 speed to punish that. Really good reaction from Trikizer. Really good 6 speed, but the 2D is pretty nice in this matchup. The burst will be used by Trikizer. And now it's time for Arifu to do some really good damage. But 2k 2D from Trikizer with the throw, Shitsu, and the 5D. Really good burst to not... whoa! Again, another throw with a Shitsu. The throw will be used a little bit early. And a really good 2k from Arifu. Really good 2k 2D again from Trikizer. But the 5H, wow, so much damage after that. No super to confirm. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. The end of this round was really bizarre. But the counter will be used by Trikizer to counter the super. Pretty nice for him. And 2-2. Oh, gold burst from Trikizer. Really good tension after that, close S, down S with the Fuji, no overhead after that, with no punish because the purple SC is here, but the other purple SC will be used to confirm this combo and do so much damage after that, what the hell? DP to have some good damage after that, and now it's Giovanna mix-ups. Oh, nope, no mix-up, back throw, and the burst will be used. Oh, neutral, neutral by those players. Oh, yeah, really good check with 2P. Match point from Trikizer. The Anji is here, the young genius. Oh, no check after that. We would like to check with 5P after the Fujin. But again, the confirm will be from Trikizer. What the hell, the damage. The damage after that. Aïe. Oh, no punish after the throw. But the frame time is here. Really good Okizem. No super after that. And the 5D. Really go confirm. And also the wall break. A. To have the tension bonus. But be careful, Trikizer has two bars. No counter. Oh, 2k with the RC. He needs to kill, but the burst is here. Shitsu for the mix-up. 5D, and the burst was bait. Check my hand. GG's. 3-2. Nice. C'était stylé. C'était stylé. Ah, ils se connaissent par cœur, par contre, les deux joueurs. Il n'y a pas d'embrouille là-dessus. C'est vraiment un truc de ouf. Ça se voit. Donc du coup, Trikizer qui avance. Là, pour les intermatchs, je vais parler en français, parce que je vois qu'il y a principalement une majorité de français. Donc pour les intermatchs, je vais parler en français. Et j'irai commenter les matchs un petit peu en anglais. Et du coup, Zatovan aussi qui avance. Ok. Next match will be Uriel. I think Uriel Légion versus Skill. Donc ce sera Skill contre Uriel Légion pour la suite. Laissez-moi vous montrer du coup vite fait l'arbre du top 8 que j'ai fait spécialement pour ça. On a du coup cette fois-ci un top 6 avec Trikizer et Zatovan qui avancent. Et voilà, du coup on a Skill face à Uriel qui sera du coup notre prochain match. Dans le doute. Et le match d'après sera du coup Pinhead face à Pataxus. Je ne connais pas Pinhead, mais d'après ce que j'ai vu, c'est un joueur de Axel français. J'étais là, quoi? J'étais là, quoi? C'était un peu bizarre. Donc bah Let's Go, en plus il est en winner face à Pataxus. Pataxus, lui qu'on connaît, il n'y a pas d'embrouille là-dessus. Alors Uriel est à gauche, Skill est à droite, ne vous inquiétez pas, c'est normal, il n'y a pas le match. Ne paniquez pas. J'ai le contrôle. Et on découvre en winner semi. Winner semi. Skill versus Uriel Légion. Brut. Let's rock. And the overlay are perfect. First throw from Skill from the French player, and now Uriel is in the corner, but really good catch with FK, with a really good Okizem. We know Nagoriyuki is a pretty good character with awesome mix-ups with the Blade, for example. No Volcanic Viper after that, and I think Skill is dead. Really good bait by this Spanish player. This match will be really intense. Vamos Uriel. Oh, no Boarding Bringer after that. Really good OTG, but the 5k will be catch the setup with the Beyblade, but another Beyblade to have the counter, but the 6S, and now Uriel is in the corner. Oh, a really good 2k to escape the corner, and the backdash will be punished with the blue RC, no confirm after that. 6H with the anti-air, Skill is in trouble right now, really good 2S with the confirm, and is dead. 1-0. 1-0 from... oh, there is a bug in this overlay, sorry. 1-0 from for Uriel. This is better. That was pretty fast, huh? I think 20 seconds. But we know Skill. He has a really good adaptation from matches. So why not? Why not for him? Just do some neutrals. Huh? But now Soul is in the corner. Really good for us with an excellent confirm. But the burst will be here to save Uriel from the Volcanic Viper to K2D with the Bandit, and now it's time to Skill to do some damage with the really good frame traps. No Volcanic Viper after that, but the tension bonus will be here, and the positive bonus, and the super after that. No closes, I don't care. But don't forget about Skill. He has a Volcanic Viper, just block the situation from him. We will now in neutral. 2 bar from Skill. Really good anti-air from Uriel. Really good punish after that. No damage. No dead man after that. Oh, Vortex after. No anti-air with a really good 5k or 6p from Skill. And now it was the time. Ah, he explodes and he's dead. Ah, Blood Rage is here. First round. Oh, really good frame trap with the DP and really good confirm AA. Really good burst to escape the wall break. But the air-to-air for the Spanish player. It's time to escape the corner. Skill right now. Really good to S and the camper with the Bandit Revolver. Coast to coast with that. It's now to Uriel to escape this corner. But he's here with the double touch. Okay. Jump in with no confirm after that, but the throw is here. He has to block Skill after that because so much tension after that, and the burst bait. Aïe. Oh, c'est dur de commenter en anglais, mais imagine à cette vitesse, c'est horrible. 1-1. Aïe 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 aïe. Oh là là. Throw from Skill, closes, 2k with the Bandit. Ah! No, really good block by Uriel. The burst will be used by Skill to not whoa, really good confirm of that. Okay. Now it's Uriel in the corner with the really good setup, and he slip, and the blue RC setup, yellow RC to escape that, but the command grab will be really punished with the backdash. Utakura Irani. Okizem after that. Okay, just a block from Uriel, but now he's in trouble in the corner. He has to escape the Beyblade with the Dragon Punch. Don't forget about the Blood Rage, but the 2S is here. And Skill take the first round. Okay, really good frame times for Uriel, but he block a really good anti-air after that, and the punish with the 6H, and the counter will be will be really good tech from Uriel. Again an anti-air with the 6P and the 5K is here. I don't care. I've got Volcanic Viper. Hey, Volcanic Viper with the clean hit. Don't forget about the burst, Uriel. First of all, from the French player. Okay, just escape the corner. Leave some space, and the boss is here. He's not dead yet, Uriel, but it will be really hard for him to do some comebacks. I don't... whoa, okay. Just a drop. And skill tech. The third game. 2-1. Donc Omite élu. Okay, no clean hit after that because the burst is here. Now skill is in trouble in the corner. 2K 2D with a really good backdash from Uriel. And good punish after that. And the 2S from skill Bandit Revolver. No confirm with the RC. It just keep the RC to do so much mix up and the command throw. Not dead yet. He has to block really good mix up and the 5K. Really good check. Match point from skill. The winner will be in winner finals. Bandit Bringer, no punish after that. 5K, okay. Oh, no punish. No punish in the Volcanic Viper and just take the throw from skill. Oh, and the frame traps. Hey, Bandit Revolver and the wall break. Wow, wow, the damage. What the hell? Salt bad guy et bré. Viens ici. And 3-1 from skill. Oh, aïe. GG's. Oh merde, j'ai oublié de mettre les scores à jour sur ce match GG. Je suis un connard. Alors, modifier les résultats. 3-1 pour skill. Skill qui a fait quand même un... Qui a une adaptation frame 1, c'est un truc de ouf. Alors... Donc après, Trackteaser 3-2, ok. Bon, ce match-là, ça c'est pas trop grave, j'irai le faire plus tard. Ok, super. Super. GG du coup un skill qui passe du coup en winner final et du coup devra affronter le gagnant du prochain match, Pinhead face à Pataxus. Énième match FR versus FR. Ça va être assez stylé. Par contre skill, mais comment il s'est adapté en 2 frames quoi, je me demande à chaque fois. Hein. Le premier set était pour Uriel, j'étais là, waouh ça va être compliqué pour skill, et là frame 1 il s'est dit vas-y on va faire des trucs. C'est un truc de ouf. Je sais pas comment il a fait. Aïe, attends on va se mettre ici en attendant du coup Pinhead. Ah bah Pinhead vient de rentrer, donc parfait. Juste à faire mes overlays puis on est parti. C'était très dur par contre à commenter le match là parce qu'il était très rapide en fait. Alors moi j'ai l'habitude en parlant français mais en parlant anglais c'est horrible. Pinhead, alors Pinhead, merde, face à Pataxus, donc ce sera Axel face à Chip, c'est ça. Alors hop, F22 Pataxus, hop. Deuxième winner semi, parfait. Aussi connu sous le nom de Eminem. Laisse-moi tranquille, toi. Ah, mais non, pourquoi ça n'a pas enregistré? Ah.
Mais oui, madame.
What the hell? What is it like that? Voilà, that's better. Pataxus versus Pinhead, 2 French players against in winner semi. Hop. Oh, really good anti-air with the 5K and the 6K will break the wall. Bonus tension for him, sorry. But a really good anti-air with Axel with pretty good damage with the Axel Bomba. But the bonus tension is here from Pataxus. He has to use his tension, but first one for him. This matchup is pretty interesting because Chip has to come into Axel. But he has a really good mobility to do that. Throw for him. With the OTG, the 6K will be blocked, but not the second one. AA. Oh, the mix-up! The reset is now here. He continues mix up and and the burst bait. And the first set will be for him 1-0. Et c'est encore des matchs rapides, je me déteste. Because Red Bull now. What they are doing, yeah. Pataxis is a really good ship player. I don't know about Pinhead. He was in the last Wanted. I was like, wait, a French Axel player? What the hell? But now Pataxis is pretty insane in this match. And the Beta Blade to catch the 2P after WRC. Really good take, hein, if you have a DP. Just do a purple RC or a blue RC, and if your opponent do something, just DP. Just a DP. Pretty good damage, but no worse path after that. But Pinhead is pretty nice, but now it's time for mix up. Really good to S to catch the Alpha Blade and the wall break. He cannot do the burst. It was too far away. Since love ever slam. Oh, really good 2K to catch the Gamma Blade, but the Earthware with the 5H, so much damage after that. No wall splat, but the throw will take it. Gamma Blade and the second one. Ah, okay. Yeah, he dropped his combo, but he has the wall back after that. Alpha Blade will be blocked. Really good S after that, but and the command grab, dead. 2-0. 2-0. The winner of this match will be in winner finals against Skill. Pataxis is really good right now. We will see maybe will be a run back. I don't know if he je sais pas s'il a déjà affronté Skill au Wanted Pataxis. C'est une vraie question. Command grab from Pinhead. Oh, Zawaldo. Et Axel Bomber and the wall splat with the Axel Bomber and the third Axel Bomber to destroy him. Ay. Yeah, I don't know about Pinhead. I saw him during a Wanted and I was like, wow, it's pretty good. And it's time from EA to zone this guy. It's pretty nice for now. But now Pataxis is in close range, but a really good RC with the jump H. The bus will be used to not die yet, but no end after that. It's time for mix up from Pataxis, a really good catch, and the common bribe. No punish after that, so Pataxis has another chance, but the 5K will be here to save him from the overhead. 2-1. Pinhead comeback? Why not? But the first Kizem will be from Pataxis. The Axel player is now in the corner, but a really good burst to escape it. Oh, okay, really good 5K, no confirm after that. He just escaped the corner with the Axel Bomber purple RC. That was pretty nice, really good to edge with the corner. Axel Bomba! So much damage after that, no command grab. Really good jump from Pataxis. It's time for him to do so much damage. Really good command grab. No RC after that? No, just to do another Alpha Blade with the mix up, with the purple RC, no 6K. But the anti-air is here, he has to kill him. To S2H. And also Alpha Blade. Match point for him. Aya. Oh! Really good air to air with the jump H and the back throw. Go back in the corner, my guy. Gamma Blade. Oh, really good whiff punish with the 5H, and he destroyed the wall after that. Pretty good damage. One touch, I think, and it will be the end of the match. Ah, really good burst. Cycle flash with the follow up. Another 2H. Close this. Oh, really good frame trap. Nah, no Axel Bomber after that because the 5K was not here. Okay, 2K. Oh, yeah. And the Fares will end it. GG's to Pataxis. 3-1. C'était stylé. Pataxis, hein, il fait plaisir quand même. Hein. Et plaisir. Même si Pinhead, il a failli faire un petit comeback là, le petit round où il a gagné, c'est assez stylé. Du coup, on aura skill face à Pataxus, mais ce sera pas pour tout de suite. Puisqu'on aura Uriel Légion face à Zatovan. Oh, ça va être horrible ça. Oh, ça va être horrible. Parfait, Uriel est prêt. Alors, Zatovan. Parfait, Uriel Légion est prêt. Pop, pop, pop. Tac, lobby. Voilà. And the next match will be Uriel versus Zatovan. The hardiest matchup from Uriel. I think Nagoriyuki is the best character in the game right now at the moment. But against Zato, it's the weakest. Hop, Zatovan. Hop, hop. We are in the loser quarter. Yep. Tac. And I think it's good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yellow RC from Zato to escape so much mix-up, but the 2H is here from Uriel. It's time to do so much damage after that. He has to do so much damage because the zoning of Zato is really insane in this matchup. And really good job. And now it's time from the mix-up. Really good throw after that. Just to do a cross-up to accept the corner from Uriel. Now Zato is in the corner. Ah! No. Yeah, the throw was not here and the go bust. Oh, no kill after that, but the super is here. First round from Zato. There was a drop from him, but it's okay. Huh? Here's the round. First Kisem from him on this round and the cross down. Will be take the throw. We'll take the wall. Sorry. Really good damage after that. And the positive bonus, really good command grab. Huh? He saw the 2H. Really good damage. And the 2S with so much follow-ups. He has 2 bursts and the Amorphous is here. He has to block with the Faultless because the shield dash is here. But he has the DP. But he, I think no, he will not explode. But the first set will be from Zatovan. 1-0. The hardiest matchup of Nagoriyuki. This matchup is really unfair from him. Close S to catch the backdash, but the 2S counter. Oh, gold burst from the Nagoriyuki player. Now it's time to do so much damage. Really good block from the 5D and the close S. We catch something. I think a jump or a backdash. And the burst will be used by Zatovan. First Tokizem from him with a good follow-up. Wow, so much damage. He will destroy the wall, of course, with the super to have the Tokizem and the positive bonus. Okay, he just... Oh, okay, he catch the backdash or a jump with the close S. And he's dead. Don't panic in defense from Zato. Because he really want to do some backdash or jump. And the close S catch that. Don't forget about that, Zato. But the mix-up is from him. He will not destroy the wall, the 6K will touch, and the 4S. He will break the wall with the Amorphous. Hey! Really good damage after that. Okizem and a positive bonus. HS. Ah, no air throw after that. Oh, the burst was pretty good from the Spanish player because he has the position advantage, but the throw will take it. Second round for Zatovan. He can do it, huh? He can do it, Uriel. This match is pretty hard for him, but he knows well, sorry. Okay, the jump in from Zato, and the mix-up is here from for Uriel, sorry, and the counter hit. He will destroy the wall with so much damage after that. Wow, no guts, huh? Remember that Zato has no guts. Come on, grab after the oppose. Oh, RC, okay, to destroy the wall, why not? A with the C stage. Positive bonus from him, but Uriel has 2 bars and no blood. He can do a really good blade with RC, blue RC, and a really good 5P to anti-air. He would like to take the burst, but okay. 5k and the closest Blue RC and the burst bait. Nice. Really good burst bait. He can do it, he can do it. Okay, for S. The opposite is here. He has to defend. Oh, really good bad dash, but the frog is here. Oh, no, no follow-up after the clone. He has to defend the mix-up, and the oppose will be take the command throw. Hey, so much damage after that. He's again in the Nagoriyuki is again in the corner. Really good mix-up, really good block. No punition after that. Oh, but the counter is here. The burst will be used. It's okay for now from Uriel, but he has to do so much things to approach Zato, and he will take the mix-up. Aya. The advantage is for Zato. Okay, the oppose, and now it's time to block. Really good block for the 5D. Vital Hell. Okay, he has to escape the corner. Really good clone, and the S and the Okizen. It's time to do so much damage for Uriel. He has the position advantage. He does so much Beyblade. Don't forget about the Blood Rage, and the 5D will be blocked, but in the air. But no, no punition after that, and the closest will take it. Why don't panic, Zatovan. The closest is pretty good to catch jumps and back dashes. Oh, no command throw and a really good punish after that. Dokumiteru. Okay, see 6k. Aye! And the S will take it. And now it's time to mix up burst from Uriel. Really good 5D in the air to tell him go back in the corner. But the mix up is here, the frog is here, and the coast to coast with the combo. Oh yeah, it's pretty difficult for Uriel, and the 5D I think will take it, I guess. No, the guts and the scaling is here, but he has the Nokizem and the positive bonus. Last mix-up and Uriel will be dead. Yellow RC, no! Too much far away! Aïe. 2-1. 2-1 for Zatovan. Aïe. Okay, DP at one start, and the Okizem is from Uriel. It's time to do so much damage. For S with the Fukuyo 5H with the Beyblade. Oh, double touch from Uriel Legion, and the confirm after that. Use the burst. Use the burst, Zato. Why not? And the S will take it. No burst for Uriel. Oh, really good burst on the oppose. No confirm after that. And the back throw will be take it. Really good block on the 6th stage. Mix up. Okay. And the frog is here. No confirm after that. And the blue RC. Okay. Yeah, Zatovan is pretty strong, but his defense is... I think he panic a lot. But not right now, really good for him, and the job will catch the throw. Really good cross up to have the advantage position, and the mix-up will be blocked, but now the frame traps. Really good damage after that, and Uriel is in the corner. He will take the wall break with the CSH. No burst from both player, and no confirm after the 2S. Pretty bad from him, the blue RC. Oh no, the command grab will not take the jump K. And the 2S, it's time to do so good damage. No burst from Zato. Last hit, and I think he will be dead. 5H, well, the oppose will be counter that. The frog will block. It is not here for S, and he's dead. Aïe. No burst, for Zato. And 2-2. Last set from both players. We are in losers quarter, so the losers. So the losers will be dead in this tournament. No, the throw will not take it. No good position from Uriel Legion. He has to. The burst bait. That was pretty nice. Oh, okay, the command throw. He do the OS. He will take the. They will take the throw. No, they will take the wall. Soko de one eye. Okay, the opposite is now here. He has to jump. Oh wow. The throw closes and pretty good throw. He will take the wall back. He's not dead yet. But yeah, but Zato has the burst. Oh! Okay, okay, okay. Match point for Zatovan. The RDS matchup of Nagoriyuki. He can do it, huh? He can do it, and the frog will take the 5p. He will break the wall. A with the 6H. Oh, so much damage after that. He has a pretty good defense on Nagoriyuki, but Zato, he can do so much damage with one mix-up. Uriel Legion. Aïe 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 aïe, 2k, and I think it will be take it, the Amorphous, and he's dead. GG's. GG's. Oh yeah, 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 that was intense. That was intense. Alors, 3-2. GG's for Uriel. Ah, I need to reset the bracket. Smash GG. I don't like Smash GG. Ok. GG du coup à Uriel, hein. Un match-up horrible pour lui. La première fois que j'ai vu le match-up Zato contre Nagoriyuki, c'était justement Uriel, mais cette fois-ci face à Latif. Et j'étais là, bah ouais, d'accord. Ah ouais, ah ouais, ah ouais, je comprends mieux. Je comprends mieux. Alors, the next match right now will be it will be Skill versus Pataxus. Pataxus, yep. We've got the top 4 right now. Hop. Ah non, 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 non. I forgot. It's not Skill versus Pataxus. It's Trikeezer versus Pinhead. Trikeezer versus Pinhead. I'm sorry. Donc Pinhead et Trikeezer, je vous laisse vous placer le temps que je prépare du coup mes overlays. Donc Uzatovan qui avance en loser semi. Hop. Et du coup Pinhead. Pinhead Trikeezer. Donc Pinhead il avait perdu 3-1 face à Pataxus. Tac, 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 tac. Parfait. Ok. Et on aura bientôt un top 4. I will just take a break. I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Up. I'm coming. Perfect, I'm here. Hop. Pinhead versus Trikeezer. Ah, I need to... Hop, my overlay. Pinhead est à gauche, Trikeezer est à droite. Non. Trikeezer, non. Voilà. 0, 0. Parfait. Et je crois que si tout se passe bien, si on met ça... Voilà, voilà, parfait. Vous pouvez y aller hein, si vous m'entendez les joueurs. Angie versus Axel. I think it's the first time I saw this matchup. It's the first time I see this matchup. I think. I don't know who wins in this matchup, but let's go. It's time to know, I guess. With the good OST from Guilty Gear Xrd, it's time for Trikeezer to go in the top 4 and also for Pinhead. Good gold burst for him. Really good for S and the burst bait, no punish after that, but oh, really good jump in from Trikizer. It's time to do some good mix up. Oh, I don't care, I use my super. With the comfort, why? What? The damage? The damage after that? Okay, why not? He has to block Trikizer and approach him. He's got a RC, he will use it. Okay, frame traps and really good check. Okay, Cycle Flash, one touch for from Pinhead and Trikizer will be dead. And 2H will catch it. Pretty good first one for Pinhead. Bye bye. Oh, the clash will be win by Pinhead. Oh, Fujin counter. Really good damage after that. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Oh, really good escape from the command grab. He has to block it. Really good closes. It's time to really good check by Pinhead. It's time to zoning. It's time to zone this Anji. Really good block for Trikizer. Okay, throw. Why not? Yahoo! He's got one bar. It's time to do so much damage. Zawardo. Axel Bombard. Don't forget the burst and no, Axel Bombard will take it. Up. I've got a bot in my chat. Just wait a second. Perfect. Okay, 1-0 for Pinhead. Oh, my overlay. Okay, first mix up for Trikizer. It will be a double touch. Pinhead just escaped the corner. Pretty nice for him, but the 6P will catch him and the throw. It's time for mix up. Okay, just 2K, 2D frame traps to catch the jump. Pretty good damage after that. No confirm with the 5D, but the throw will take it. First round for Trikizer. Pretty interesting matchup. I don't know so much about this. Really good gold burst for Pinhead. No punish. Yeah, but the purple SC is here. To catch the punition, it's time to zone this Anji, but the jump in will be here. No confirm after that. That was pretty bad. And the back throw to take the position, and the boss will be used. For Trikizer. Oh, pretty good 5D in the air to catch the fight cross up. Oh, the really good tech for the Axel player and the overhead. I think we'll take it. I think he's dead. I think. Check my hand. Nice. 1-1. Oh. This from Axel. The winner. Yeah, the winner of this match will fight Zatovan. Okay. Okay, gold burst again for Pinhead to have some tension, and the burst will be used by Trikizer in defense. Cycle flash again, and a jump in again to catch him, and now he has the confirm. No Shitsu after that. The clash will be win by Pinhead. Zawardo, Axel Bombard. No Axel Bombard after that. The 5H was here. And the overhead. Don't forget about that, Pinhead. And also he has the bar. He has the bar, Trikizer. He can do the overhead after the Fujin, and the 6P will catch shit, and I think he's dead. No scaling and no guts for Axel. And the advantage is for Trikizer. Pretty good in this matchup, I think, Anji. Pretty good. Even, maybe? Okay, here he catch... Oh, the reset, why not? He do the reset. I know he knows the overhead is pretty good in this matchup, in this player matchup. The positive tension is pretty good for Anji because he has the counter. Oh, no jump in now in this time, but the closest will take it. 2-1, GG's. Trop franglais me tue, j'adore le mix, mais l'ambiance. Ça va, faut bien que je m'entraîne. Et puis je vais pas me forcer à avoir l'accent anglais. 2-1 for Trikizer. Hop. Merci, c'est gentil. La première fois hein, officiellement que je commente. Mais bref. Again, the jump in for Trikeezer. The burst will be used. Not gold burst in this time. But the zoning is pretty good for Pinhead. To S, okay, to H. With the follow-up. And now Trikeezer. Oh! And the overhead. Look at the damage. Ah no! The second hit of the coup is not here, but he catch, I think, the backdash or a jump, and he's not dead yet. But the damage is here, the bonus tension is here. Don't forget about the super. Yeah, the super is here. Hey. No! Why Trikeezer? Oh no! He has 2 bars. He can do the purple RC after this super. Ah, c'est dommage. 5P with really good follow-up with the Cycle Flash. It's time to approach him from Trikeezer, but the Cycle Flash is here and the jump in. It's time. It is time, okay. He wants to catch something, Trikeezer. Ah! And the burst bait. Oh, double touch. Pretty good for Trikeezer. And the confirm in the 2K2D. Bye-bye. Okay, we just wait. The Trikeezer... Oh yeah, we take the D. No. And I think Trikeezer is now dead yet because Anji has so much guts. But now he's dead with the Cycle Flash. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. It's even right now. Last set, the winners will fight Zatovan in loser. But before, we'll have the winner final, Pataxus versus Skill. Oh, again the jump in and the throw. It's time to do mix up with the Shih Tzu. Oh, no catch in the back dash. Okay, frame traps, 2K, 2D. With the bye-bye and the 2S will take it. Axel Bombard, and last Axel Bombard, and a fourth Axel Bombard. So much damage after that. And the blue RC is here, but it doesn't block it. It's time to force Shih Tzu, yellow RC of course. And jumpy. Match point and an Axel Bomber to finish it. The Axel Bomber is so satisfying. Match point for Pinhead. Pretty good in this matchup. Trikeezer has to do the comeback on this set. Ah, gold burst again. The first time I guess in this match, and the 2S will catch it. Axel Bomber. Ah, with the 2H and the 4S will take it. Ah, okay, Nercy with the Axel Bomber and another Axel Bomber. So much Axel Bomber in this match. Why not? Huh? Will he go the jumpy to catch the air last hit from Pinhead. A jump S or a jumpy will take it, I guess, with or without the Gus, blue RC and the air throw. Really good. Really good mix up with the air to air. I was like, he will do the 2S, but now he will do the air throw. GG's. GG's to Trikeezer, GG's to Pinhead. That was a pretty good match. So much Axel Bomber. C'était trop stylé. 3-2 du coup pour Pinhead, il va avancer du coup. Ah, faut que je reset. Putain, mais Smash GG, c'est... Qu'est-ce que Smash... Alors, Smash GG, c'est bien, mais purée. Des fois, quand il est pas avec toi... Voilà. Parfait. Alors les joueurs sont prêts. Ah, on fait la loser semi avant. On dirait, hein. On dirait. Attends, c'est qui est c'est qui s'est placé? Ah, c'est Zatovan. Ouais, en vrai, on peut faire le loser semi, hein. Vas-y, on va faire le loser semi, hein. It's time to loser semi, I guess. Zatovan is ready and Pinhead again. We will do the loser semi before the winner finals. Why not? Huh? Why not? I will just show you the top 4. Alors, Pinhead, 3, 2 from him, and now we've got the top 4. So much money on this overlay. Yeah. Pataxus and Skill in winner bracket and Pinhead Zatovan in losers. We got the top 4, don't forget about that. The first will have 60 euros, the second 30, the third 10, and the fourth we have a Smile. Yeah, a smile, why not? And the next match will be the semi-final, Pinhead versus Zatovan. Up, Pinhead is in the left, perfect, and Zatovan is in the right. No, Zatovan. Zatovan, loser semi. Perfect. Perfect. Axel versus Zato. What the hell is this matchup? Oh ouais. I don't know the matchup, hein. Two zoners, let's go, hein. Let's go. Ah. Pinhead versus Zatovan. Up. And the first touch will be from Pinhead, and the burst will be used by the Zato player. Pinhead has a really good advance, but the 6P will take it for Zato. It's time for to do the mix-up burst from Pinhead with the 2K2D. It's time to zone this Zato 2K2D. Okay, no risk for Zato for Pinhead. Sorry, he has to just chip his opponent, but 2K2D for Zato. No confirm after that. 2S again, and I think he's dead. 5K and Axel Mombar. Axel Mombar. He failed one Axel Mombar on Pinhead during this tournament on stream. He has a really good execution, pretty good for him. Again, all 2S with the Axel Mombar confirmed, and another. He will not. Oh, what the damage? What the hell? I didn't see the damage. Okay, why not? Cycle flash to zone Zato. No throw here, and the 5P will take it, and the burst bait with the RC. Perfect. Pinhead is pretty nice in this matchup, I guess. And the first set is from Pinhead. Pinhead. Ah, there was in the wanted. Ah, Zatovan was also in wanted. Well, yesterday. Ah, okay. Oh, really good confirm. Axel Bomber, but no, the burst is here to take the Axel Bomber and the 2S counter. It's time to mix for Zatovan. Blue RC. No command grab. Why no command grab and not punish with the 6 stage for Pinhead? But Pinhead is a really good position right now because his zoning is pretty good, and with the 2S for example, and the Axel Bomber confirm and the command throw we take it. Zawardo. Oh yeah. Axel Mombar, and he will take with the jump K. Against each other. Okay. I wasn't there. During the wanted. Who won during the wanted? I would like to know. Because right now Pinhead is pretty good in this match. Really good zoning with 2S. Oh, Zatovan? Seriously? Okay. Because right now the zoning of Pinhead is pretty good. Oh, the super, but I think the oppose will take it. No, he catch the oppose. I did not know about that. Okay, the jump H for the Fuzzy. The zoning is pretty good, and the burst will take it. Don't forget about the oppose. Pinhead is pretty good, and the command throw will be take it, and another perfect. So it's really weird seeing Pinhead dominating. Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, the zoning is pretty good, and then when you tell me Zato win during the wanted, I was like, huh? Huh? 2-0 for the French player. Let's go. And the 5P again for the zoning. I think he's pretty good in this matchup. Huh? The zoning is pretty hard, and again the 2S will take it. The oppose will catch the 2H, but he killed Eddie with the jump S. Cycle flash, no zoning. Really good purple SC to save his 2S. Again another 2S to catch the block, and the 6 bits. Time for mix up, but the burst is here. 2K to 2D and another. Really good to edge, but not confirmed after that. Psycho Flash, to zone is Zato. Pretty good 6p after that. To catch. And the damage, yes, pretty good. No Kizem, because the super was not here. Okay, just zone right now with the 5p. And again, a 6p. I think he sees the button. 6p to catch a 5p, the 5p. But the 2H is here to catch something, I guess, and the 6H positive on block, but it will be punished, he will punish the second with the throw. I think it's -3. Yeah, I think he blinded the EMU, huh? I saw that, but right now the advantage is for Zatovan, but the far ace is here to catch something from him. Oh, the jump D with the purple lasso, and it's time to do so much damage. Don't forget the burst. Yes, the burst is here to save him from the dead. It's time to zone him a lot right now. Don't forget about the 2S and the 2P. Ah, the 6P will be not with punished. Oh la la, and the 2S is here, and the burst bait, no punish after that, but it's okay, I think for him. No, and counter after the jump H, and the 2S will take it. No confirm after that. Oh, it's pretty hard right now from Pinhead. He has to do one touch to take the match point with the 5P, I guess. So jump H, and the 6P is really good. Ah, okay, it's a Psycho Flash. Okay. Match point. For Pinhead. Okay, jump S to catch the head. 5P, Cycle Flash, 5P again. For now, the zoning is pretty good for Pinhead. Zato is in trouble right now in neutral, but right now it's time for the missile, but he catches the 5D. Pinhead with the 2K, and it's time to do so much tension with the throw. He has the tension right now to save, to do his follow-up safe. And again the 6P, but it is dead with the Sage. Hey, Axel Mombor, and the OTG will take it. And the last round will be dominated by Pinhead. GG's. Et 3-0, aïe. Et 3-0 du coup, malgré Zatovan qui avait l'air d'être très chaud. Mais Pinhead du coup d'y avance. Et Zatovan du coup qui aura droit à son sourire. Parfait. GG's. That was pretty intense. But the French player will take it. No Zato in top 3. Perfect. Up. The next match right now will be Skill versus Pataxus. The French players are here. Ouais, Pinhead il était chaud, hein. Faudrait que je regarde du coup le match de Wanted, parce que dès qu'on m'a dit que Zatovan a gagné, j'ai fait ah bon? Ah bon? C'est ces bêtises. Alors, non, c'est pas loser final, c'est winner final. Winner final. Alors, Pinhead a gagné 3-0. GG's hein, to Zato, hein, of course. Pretty good Zato. He won against. He won again during the top 8 Uriel Légion. NTUR. Il avait battu 3-1 lors du dernier tournoi d'Ashura, il rigole 0. Ouais. 100% d'accord. Mais vraiment, Pinhead, je le connaissais pas. Et dès qu'on m'a dit que c'était un joueur français d'Axel, j'étais là. Pardon? Comment ça, joueur français d'Axel? J'étais là. Ok. And the next match right now, Pataxus versus Skill in winner final. Chip versus Soul Bad Guy. I really like this matchup a lot. Because I play Soul Bad Guy against Flash No. Hein. Des bisous, hein, Flash No. Hop, this is better. And the burst will be used by both players, Bandingbringer, to approach this chip. He's -2, but he don't care, he just press far H. Far H with the really good confirm A, and he's dead. With the Kara Volcanic. The Kara Volcanic is pretty nice right now with Soul Bad Guy. Oh la la, and another one. Oh la la, so much damage because Chip is the chips. Lol. Now Pataxus is in trouble, but the jump edge will take it. It's time to do some good mix-ups. The Alpha Blaze will take it, and the confirm. Oh no, no wall break with the super, but the damage is here, and the bonus positive is here. Oh, really good 6p, 6k, sorry, for the reset. And it's even right now. This match, I love this matchup. Huh? Oh, I really love this matchup. Huh? Oh, no, really good 2S to catch. I think the 4S of Pataxus. Really good shuriken to catch the anti-air. And the 4S will take it. Volcanic Viper. So much damage after that. He has the bar right now, scale, and the 2S will take it, I guess, because the defense is not here for ship, and 1-0 for skill. Oh là, the Kara Volcanic Viper is pretty good. It's a pretty good tool for Skullback Gag. And 1-0 for the Soul player. Winner finals right now. Okay. Oh, really 5k. Huh? A really good 5k after that. Oh, the damage. Just after the 5k. Huh? 50%. And the positive bonus. But now it's time for Pataxus to do some good mix-up, and the frame trap will take it. Really good confirm after that. A, and the wall break. But skill has 2 bars, and the first will be used right now to catch something, and the will take it. And now it's time for the setups. Okay, jump P after that. Why not? 6p to catch. I think the 4S. Pretty good, the 6p against the 4S. Because it will catch shit. Oh, really good reaction for in the 6k and the whiff punish. No tension after that. Donc no RC, yellow RC to not take the bandit revolver, but the 5k, the best free frame in the game will take it. First one for the French player, but the other is also a French player. Lol. Really good punish in the shuriken. And the throw. Wow, so much damage after that. Okay. Oh, no catch. No catch in this backdash. Oh, Netero. I don't care. I use the Volcanic Viper. But Pataxus is really patient and will take the wall break. Really good damage after that. And the positive bonus will here. No anti-air after that. Oh, Volcanic Viper. Because why not? With the really good comfort, bandit. No, just a gun flame. He will not take the. Ah no confirm after that. One touch for a skill. It will be okay, but he's not in advantage right now. Okay. Ah, the 6S. Well, he will be punished. It's time to do some good mix-up, but the jump will be gold burst for Pataxus, and the 4S will take it. Really good comeback. GG's. Pretty good comeback from him. No 2-0 from you. This matchup is pretty nice. I really like it. 2D counter. Oh, Vortex. Okay, why not? I think it was a Volcanic Viper. Oh, the 6S counter it. Ah, no! The 6S were... Oh, okay. No! Why? Why Sheep has no airbox when he is crouched? It's time for Pataxus to do some good damage. 6H and another to take the wall. One touch, I think, for skill, you know, because he has RC, really good Volcanic Viper. Volcanic Viper is not dead yet, but one mix-on and he will be dead. Oh, really good check of the backdash with the 5k. No risk after that, and just do the throw. If your opponent does nothing, just do the throw. It will work. 2-0 for skill. One set for him, and he will be in grand final. The first, I think the first of this tournament will take 45 points for the ranking. I don't know. I think it's that. Because we've got 35 player. I think it's that. Okay. Color swap, I guess, for Pataxus. And the Bodybuilder will take DR too rare, another, no, just do a backdash, no risk for skill, but at Beta Blade for Pataxus, it's the first one on this match. Okay, no with finish on this 6k. Oh, he will take something with the Vortex. Well, really good frame traps with the 2k. It's time to do so much damage after that, and the command guy will take it. He has the guts, he got some guts, Chip. Okay, the Alpha Blades will be blocked. Oh, the defense is pretty good for skill. And the 5k will take it with a Gonnetier. Match point from him. It's pretty good, skill. Ouais, burst, of course, after the 5S. Oh, and the reset after the first Bandit Revolver. Bandit Revolver on confirm after the 2k. Bandit Umbringer and the 5k will take it. Blue RC, nah, no confirm after that. He has the ID, but he will not have the confirm. And the air-to-air will be for Pataxus. Okay. Neutral. No risk for skill, and the 2S will take it. But no RC after that. Ah, no punish from the backdash, and the 6P will take it. GG's. 3-0 for skill. Aïe. 3-0. 3-0, 3-0 pour skill. Qui du coup est en grande finale, let's go. Oh putain. C'est ma GG, je te SI fort. Oui. Je te SI fort, c'est ma GG. Hop. Tu peux prendre une pause si tu veux, Pataxus, pour respirer un coup. Le temps que je mixe ma GG. Ok, skill est en grande finale, parfait. Pataxus Pinhead. Et du coup, on aura un top 3 français, let's go. Let's go, let's go. GG du coup. Alors. Hop. Alors. Pataxus. Pinhead. Parfait. Loser final. Hop. Hop. Parfait. Non. Ok. Ok, parfait. Oh, j'ai la tête. Vous n'imaginez pas à quel point j'ai mal à la tête à force d'essayer de dire des trucs en anglais. Oh, c'est horrible. C'est horrible. Mais au moins on essaye, hein. C'est comme ça qu'on fait. Faut bien essayer. Ok. Alors, est-ce qu'ils se sont déjà affrontés, je crois, Pataxus et Pinhead. Ils se sont affrontés en Winner Semi, c'était Pataxus qui avait gagné. Ok. Pataxus versus Pinhead. De Ninja versus de Zoner. Let's go. Ah, really good to escape the mix-up. Ah, no anti-air, hein. In the job 2k. Pataxus is pretty good right now. Oh, the 2S will catch the mix-up, but not the follow-up. Okay, 6k, A, the burst, of course. Oh, the... Ah! Aïe, aïe, aïe. Aïe, 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 6k, and another 6k. No burst, no RC after that. Really good catch, but no follow-up. And the 2D will take it with the Alpha Blade follow-up. And the first round for Pataxus. And it's time to zone. To zoning. Okay. Okay, the 2S will take it. Really good damage after that. And the Zawardo. Axel Bombard. Wall splat. Axel Bombard. Doom Sayonara. Really good 2H for Pinhead and the double touch. It's even right now. Et salut Gnark. And the 2S will catch again. A. So much damage after that. It's shape, hein. We know. Okay. Okay, really good 5P for Pataxus. It's time for him to do some good mix-up, but... Ah! Why the burst right now? Okay, Osoy. The Alpha Blade will take it. And the backdash will catch by the jump H, but not confirm after that. Shuriken and the jump H. Pataxus is right now in trouble. In neutral. Jump S. One touch, I guess. And The touch is here. 2H. 1-0. Pataxus have won against Pin End during the winner semi-final. So Pin End can have his revenge right now. And got balls for him. And after that, the confirm on the command throw and the burst bait. Aïe, and the one will be here. Axel Member and another. Oh, with the super. He's dead? No, not yet. But he's got an Okizem and the 2K. We catch the backdash. Nice. Nice. That was clean. That was really clean for Pinhead. Okay, really good anti-air with the 5K, and another, why not? And the reset, and it will be a low. And the 6 throw. Pataxus is angry right now. And the 2H will catch the jump, and the really good confirm. Really good damage after that. Positive bonus for him. The 6K will take it, but no RC after that. Oh, yeah, really good backdash. Oh, no! It was a punish? It was a punish, wow! Okay. A flap blade. But, okay. Ah, ouais, the 2H will be with punish. Oh, no Alpha Blade after that. And right now, Pinhead has a really good position. He got something with the closest, 2K2D with the follow-up. Axel Bomber and another to break the wall. Pinhead has a really good advantage. Blue RC, okay, he just blocked, Pinhead. No RC after the 6K because he has no RC. And again, 2K2D, really good catch. Really good button for Axel and also the 5K. And 2-0 for Pinhead. Maybe we'll have Soul versus Axel in grand finals. Let's go. Okay, to H for Pinhead. It's time to zone his opponent. God Burst. Why not? Cycle Flash, we take it. Ah, and the 2S was here, but not the punish. And the R2R is for Pataxus. It's time to take the wall. Yep, with the jump D. He has the positive bonus. He has also a bar, but Pinhead has 2 bar. Ouais, the command brag will be escaped, and the far S is time to kill. It's time to kill Pataxus. No, he do a reset. Oh yes. Ah. Okay, he just blocked the super. It's time to kill him. So ouais, saute et jump. Ah mais why? Too much spaghetti for Pataxus. But it's okay, take the round. But he has no burst for the next round. First Okizem for him. He will take the throw. Gamma Blade. Okay, burst will be used by Pinhead to accept the corner, but right now Pataxus wants to see his opponent dead. 6K will be blocked. And Pinhead is right now in neutral, in a good position, and it's time to chip his opponent. Okay, really good confirm after the counter and the command bribe. One touch. He has the RC. No, he will not use the RC. And the 6H will take it. Axel Member with a really good confirm. No Cyclops Flash after the 5P, but it's okay for him. Oh, but okay, why not? Okay, he will take it. 2-1. The purple was like... Too much speed. And 2-1. Maybe a comeback for Pataxus. He has a good beginning for this set. Because he mix up, ouais, he will take the burst of course. No R2R for Pataxus, but he will take the punish of the Psycho Flash. Alpha Blade, and the wall is not here. Positive bonus. It's time to do some good mix up, but the 2S will take it. Ouais, the burst will be used, of course. And the 2D, it's time to kill him. And he's dead. Perfect for him. Pataxus is now in a good position, but the 2S for Pinhead with a really good damage after that, and it's time to zone his opponent with the jumpy, the cycle flash, the 2H, and the follow-up with the snail. He has a good bar right now, Pinhead, he can use it. Voilà. Purple RC, and the... Ah! No punish for the throw, from the throw. A, okay. Jumpy, one touch, and the jump, and the 5P, sorry. We'll take it. Match point for Pinhead. If he takes this round, he will fight in grand finals. Skill, but he can do it. He can do it. Pataxus also can do it. So he can. Okay, it's time for zoning for Pinhead. Ah! No NCR after that, and the gold burst, and the common break with here. It's time to bait a burst, I think. No, no, okay. Nah, no super after that. Ah ouais, ouais, and the punish. A. It's time for Pataxus to do a comeback. Okay, the 2S is here, and the 2H after that. The SOS, and the 2H. Unfortunately, no comeback in this time. And Pinhead has got his revenge against Pataxus. 3-1. GG's. GG Pataxus. GG Pinhead. C'était quand même assez stylé. Et du coup, ouais, il a bien pris sa revanche. J'ai mal au crâne, c'est ouf. 3-1. Et du coup, ce sera skill face à Pinhead. Pinhead, il fait plaisir. Hein. C'est la deuxième fois que je le vois jouer. Ça fait plaisir de voir un Axel jouer. Pour ça, top au commentaire en anglais. Ça va, c'est le dernier match. Là, on est en grande finale, ils ok. Hop. Hop. Alors, Pinhead, parfait. Hop. Hop. Tac. Non. Pas comme ça. Hop. Voilà. Et je crois que c'est bien comme ça. Parfait. And it's time right now to show the grand finals of the first Mandinbringer X Arc Revo. I think the next one will be next month in December. When? I don't know. And I think the overlay is good. Perfect. Grand finals. Soul Bad Guy versus Axel. A pretty good matchup for Axel. But this matchup, I think it's even, I guess. But right now, his skill to do to have the advantage with the throw. It's time to do some good damage after that. No, really good 2K to low profile the 5H. It's pretty good in this matchup. But don't forget about the command grab. Hein. You can punish the command grab with a vortex. Hein. Soul can do that. He do backdash into vortex and we punish it with the counter. Really good, confirm after the far S. For skill is pretty good right now. He has an advantage with the position, but he will take the cross. Really good block. Okay, and the block is here. Okay, far S, and he will take the backdash with the 6S. And the first round is for skill. He's got his burst, not Pinhead. Okay, zoning, it's like 2H. And no Volcanic Viper. Ouais, the Volcanic Viper is here to reverse on him. The zoning is here. Okay, really good block by Scale, and the 6P will take it. Ah no! No confirm after that. So it's time now to dash block. Okay, jumpy. Hey, and we take the throw. And now it's time for Skill to do some good things. The punish will be here. Really good jump. Ah, aïe. Okay. I think he do the RC to bait the burst, and the burst is here. One touch, I think, for Skill. He has the RC. Hein. Yes, RC. 6H, RC, 6H. One touch. Et 1-0 for skill.
Mais oui, madame!
Mais oui, madame. Oh, really good air to air with the jump K and ouais, no Volcanic Viper, no clean hit. The burst is here. Really good throw after that. It's time for Pinhead to do some good damage to take an advance. The Fire Eyes will take it, and the burst also, but the Bounty Bringer will finish the 2P, and it's time for Skill to do some good damage. Unfortunately, the Fire Eyes will not touch it, and the Whiff Punish is really good for Pinhead, and the sweep will take it. Ouais, success will be catched by the 2K. The 2K is pretty good in this matchup, remember, because he low profile the 6S, the 5S also, the 4S, and the 5H again also. Sorry. So this is why this matchup is not hard for Axel, I guess. A really good punish after that for Scream with the 4S. It's time for him to do some good damage, but the 2K for P8 is pretty good. Okay. Dash block for Skill. He has to block in this matchup. It's pretty hard for Sol to approach Axel. But when he's close and the fatal counter with air, but no confirm after that. It's time. Okay, the burst will be used in defense, of course. One touch, I think, for Skill, and it will be really good for him. He's here, Bandit Revolver with the confirm Volcanic Viper. One touch and okay, no approach. Okay, he just escaped the corner with the Axel member, and the position is now for Pinhead. Danger time. Oh no with punish. One mix up. Oh yeah. No, he's not dead yet. But the mix up was really good with the Bandit Revolver. And the jump H. Oh, this matchup is pretty hard for Sol right now. One touch, I think, for Pinhead. The gold burst will not be punished. And the jump S. He was really patient, Skill, in this match. He will take it 2-0. Hey. Okay. Double cycle flash to take the advantage. Another cycle in block. It's time to dash block for Skill, of course, because he has no really good tool to approach him. Just a dash. Okay, 6S, pretty good. And now it's time. Close S and the friend trap with the 2K. 2K again, but no confirm after that. Okay, really good 6P and the confirm. Volcanic Viper, no clean hit, but he's dead. And match point. Et pour la grande finale, du coup, je vais commenter en français parce que là, c'est la hype. Balle de match, du coup, pour Skill et surtout balle de tournoi.
Mais oui, madame!
Ah oui, commentate in French for the last round. Sorry about that. I want to commentate in French. C'est parti, du coup, pour Skill qui commence déjà avec un bon confirme avec le phare S. Ça peut être très bien pour lui. En plus, il faut en profiter au maximum parce que quand on s'appelle Axel, on peut réussir un petit peu à zoner son adversaire. Mais la faute défense est quand même très présente pour Pinhead. Parce que ça lui permet, évidemment, d'éviter un maximum. Aïe, il a vu le Gold Burst, Bandit. 5K, Volcanic Viper et c'est la mort. The round was pretty quick. 25 seconds. Ed.
Mais oui, madame!
Mais oui, madame. Skill wins. GG. GG's. GG du coup. Ça a été rapide quand même. Moi qui voulais le commenter en français, tant pis. That was pretty nice for Skill. He win the tournament 3-0 against Pinhead, and now we've got the top 8 finished. But oh ouais. Skill win this tournament, win 45 points for the ranking and also 60 euros. And GG's to Pinhead and also Pataxus, who also won some good points. C'était très cool. GG à Skill du coup qui gagne le tournoi. Ouais, le zoning était vraiment, vraiment bien géré par Skill, parce que vraiment, Sol, c'est très difficile pour lui d'approcher Axel, mais par contre, dès qu'il est au corps à corps, il va en profiter au maximum, quoi. Il a une distance, il faut pas qu'il la lâche. C'est ça un peu l'idée. C'est ça un peu l'idée. Du coup, Skill, Pataxus et Pinhead, je vais vous contacter dans les minutes qui suivent, donc préparez votre compte PayPal, parce que je vais les envoyer maintenant. Ah, faudra être là, hein. Moi c'est fan 1. Thanks for everybody for coming. That was pretty hard for me because it was the first time I commentate in French. Of course not in English. I hope Bon bref. I'm a little bit tired right now. Et pour du coup les Français, merci à tous d'être passés. C'était assez cool. On a eu beaucoup de DQ, hein, c'était marrant. Je me suis bien marré avec le nombre de DQ, mais au moins on a eu quand même un très beau top 8. Donc c'était très cool. C'était vraiment très cool. Du coup voilà, moi je vous laisse ici, des bisous. Ça dégage. Hop. Et du coup on se retrouve potentiellement une prochaine fois. Maybe next month there will be another Bandit Bringer, but I don't know. Just follow me. Oh, sorry, it's me. Just follow me on Twitter if you want to see when the next Bandit Bringer will be. Des bisous tout le monde. Je vous laisse du coup sur une très jolie petite OST évidemment de Hat in Time parce que j'adore ce jeu. Des bisous à tous. Au revoir. Ciao.